industry. I'm excited.
Yes, that's right. And the legacy of recognizing the best of local entertainment will continue to touch the lives of Filipinos all around the world.
Breaking box office returns of the movie Five Breakups and a Romance, which became one of the top grossers of 2023. Although it was shown and released during the time of struggle for Philippine cinema, he has managed to bring back the viewers back to the movie houses. 2023's box office king, congratulations, Alden Richard!
Presenting the trophy from the Guillermo Foundation is James Mendoza.
Pasalamat sa Guillermo Mendoza Foundation and of course to the award-giving body para po sa recognition na ito. Hindi ko po ito sasarilinin dahil marami po kaming parte ng pelikulang Five Breakups and a Romance. So nagpapasalamat po ako first and foremost po to GMA Pictures, to Cornerstone Studios and Myriad Entertainment. And sa lahat po ng sumuporta, sa lahat po ng block screening. Supporters ko po, maraming salamat para sa inyo to. And syempre, I would like to also to share this award sa aming pong director at writer na si Director Irene Villamor and sa aming pong very supportive at nakaparehang sa pelikula po na si Julia Montes. Para sa ito pa, Direk, and maraming salamat po. I didn't expect na in a span of little more than a decade of my career na magkakaroon po ako ng recognition when it comes to the box office. So this is a blessing and sana po marami rin po akong ma-inspire pang ibang mga aktor na kagaya ko na gumawa ng mga kalidad na pelikula at ang maging intention po lagi at ang kanilang motivation is to bring back the glory days of Philippine cinema para po sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin and syempre para sa industriya na pinagkakautangan po nating lahat ng malaking utang na loob. Muli po, maraming salamat. Magandang gabi po.